Good morning, kids. In the previous video, we have discussed chapter number 5. In that, we have also discussed the different kinds of beaks. How the different birds, they are having different types of beaks. Some are having strong, sharp pointed beaks. Some are having short, hard beaks. Some are having strong and curved beaks, and the chisel beaks too also. Today, we are going to discuss the feet and claws. But before we discussed feet and claws, let me tell you, बीक्स जो है वो सिर्फ ईटिंग के लिए ही यूज़ नहीं होती. सम बर्ड्स आर यूज देयर बीक्स फॉर क्लीनिंग. जो क्लीनिंग है उनके अपने फेदर्स की क्लीनिंग के लिए भी वो क्या करते हैं, बीक्स को यूज़ करते हैं. एंड सम बर्ड्स यूज देयर बीक्स फॉर कम्युनिकेशन. हाउ? just like they make different noises and gestures such as chirping, clicking, singing, and just like parrot can mimic human voices na. So that's how they use their beaks. And fighting, some beaks are often very hard. कुछ बीक्स क्या होती हैं, बहुत हार्ड होती हैं, शार्प होती हैं. एंड सम बर्ड्स यूज दीज बीक्स एज अ वेपन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन. वो एज अ वेपन प्रोटेक्शन के लिए यूज करते हैं उन्हें. So this is how the beaks are used. Now we are going to discuss the feet and claws. Birds use their claws to catch and eat food, to protect themselves from their enemies, and to sit on trees and to move about. So they are saying कि जो birds हैं, they use their feet and claws for walking, climbing, holding food, swimming, and for perching also. Claws, they are having claws have long curved nails. जो उनके claws हैं, you can see here they are having curved nails. Birds use these claws, जो वो claws हैं उनके, वो कैसे use करते हैं, for protection. And the shape of their feet and claws, जो उनकी फीट की शेप है या क्लॉज की शेप है, दैट डिपेंड ऑन देयर फूड हैबिट्स. तो किस पे डिपेंड करती है, उनकी फूड हैबिट्स पे डिपेंड करती है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज फ्लैश ईटिंग बर्ड्स. वी ऑल नो देयर आर बर्ड्स ऑफ प्रे, मीन्स हु feed on the flesh of other animals, and they are having strong claws. They are having strong, sharp and curved claws. They are called talons. You can see here they are having sharp curved claws. They are called talons. They use these claws to catch the prey. वो किस लिए यूज करते हैं, so that they can catch their prey. Vulture, eagles, hawks and owls, they are preying birds, or like they catch toads, rat and small birds using these claws. Next is perching birds. Perching birds like sparrow, manna and crow. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at back. You can see here they are having 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. And this type of feet help the bird to hold on to a branch. वो कैसे help करते हैं this type of feet? That feet help them to hold on to the branch, कि वो branch को जो है वो hold कर कर रख सकें. They can even sleep while they perching. वो even sleep भी कर सकते हैं when they are perching on the tree. So perching birds, just like crow and sparrow, they are having 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. And these toes help the birds to hold on to the branches. Next one is scratching birds. As the name suggests, scratching. Scratching birds like hens, they scratch the earth. they क्या करते हैं, hens क्या करती हैं, they scratch the earth and to they scratch the earth to dig out buried seeds. जो buried seeds होती हैं और insects जो होते हैं, they scratch and dig the ground so that they can bring out those insects from the soil. They have strong legs. They are having strong legs. They are 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Just like these perching birds, they are also having 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. And these toes are very sharp and hard claws to help them dig. जो इनके toes हैं, they are very sharp, that help them to dig. Next one is climbing birds. Birds like woodpecker and parakeets have 2 toes pointing upward and 2 toes pointing downward, and these toes help them to climb trees and to cling on them. These type of claws वो क्या करते हैं, they help the bird to climb and cling on to trees while they catch insects. जब वो कैच कर रहे हैं इंसेक्ट्स को, दे होल्ड जो है उनकी जो है बनी रहे ट्री के ऊपर. दैट्स हाउ दे यूज देयर टोज. Next is swimming birds. Swimming birds have webbed feet. You can see here ducks and penguins are example of swimming birds. They are having webbed feet. The front three toes are joined by a thin membrane. जो इनके front three toes हैं, they are joined by a skin or we can say the thin membrane which helps them. वो क्या help करती है उन्हें, so that they can push the water back while swimming. ये जो ये three toes है, they are connected with the skin and that is called a web. वो जो three toes है front वाले, they are joined by the skin which is called a web. Next one is wading birds. Birds like cranes and herons, they are having long legs with spread out toes. You can see here they are having long legs और उनके toes क्या है, वो भी क्या है, spread है, काफ़ी फैले हुए हैं. They can wade through muddy water without getting wet. वो जब muddy water में से walk करते हैं, उनकी जो body है वो wet नहीं होती. That's how they walk. Or we can say they are having long legs and wide toes that help them to walk in water and mud. Now one more thing I am going to tell you. जो aquatic birds होती हैं, जो spend करते हैं most of their time in swimming, they have oily feather. उनके feathers क्या होते हैं, oily होते हैं, जो prevent करते हैं उनकी body को wet होने में. ठीक है. There are aquatic birds who spend most of their time swimming have oily feathers. उनके feathers क्या होते हैं, oily होते हैं, which prevent their body from getting wet. उनकी body को वो wet होने से बचाते हैं. So this was all about our different feet and claws we have discussed. There are flesh eating birds just like vulture and eagle. They are known as birds of prey. They eat the flesh of other animals, so they are having sharp, strong and curved claws. They are called talons, which help them to catch the prey. We have discussed also the perching birds, just like sparrow and myna. They are having three toes at the front and one toe at the back, and this type of feet help them to hold on to branches. Now the scratching birds, just like hen, they scratch and dig the ground to get the insects from the soil. They are also having three toes at the front and one toe at the back. And we have also talked about the climbing birds, just like woodpecker and parakeet. They are having two toes pointing upward and two toes pointing downward, and these help them to cling on to the trees when they catch the insects. And swimming birds, they are having webbed feet. Their three toes are joined with the skin, that is called web, and that help them to push the water back when they swim. We have also talked about the wading birds, just like cranes and herons. They are having long legs and their toes are spread. And how they help? They help them to walk in the muddy water without getting wet. So what you have to do, you have to read up to here and check these checkpoints, and you have to try these checkpoints also. The next is, how does a bird fly? We all know birds have special body features that help them in flying. A bird has a very light body made up of hollow bones and thin plates. जो birds की body है, that is very light and made up of hollow bones. The body has a strong framework of bones. Body क्या है? Strong framework है. किसका framework है? Bones का. Most of the bones have a special shape, और उनकी जो bones है, they are having special shape. Also the body is shaped like a boat, और उनकी body किस way में है? just shaped like a boat means क्या है? वो कॉर्नर से क्या है, आगे से और पीछे से क्या है, वेरी थिन है, और सेंटर से क्या है, ब्रॉड है. दैट इज द शेप ऑफ बॉट ना. दिस शेप्स हेल्प इट टू कट थ्रू द एयर, और ये शेप जो है बॉट लाइक शेप, दैट हेल्प देम टू कट थ्रू द एयर while they fly. So it's like we are having arms na. A bird has wings. Bird के पास क्या है? Birds are having wings, and these wings have feathers which help them to fly. और उन feather के पास क्या है, उन wings के पास क्या है? They are having feathers which help them to fly. The wings are attached to bird's body. जो wings हैं वो birds की body से attach है with the strong muscles. वो किससे attach है? With strong muscles. And these muscles help it to move the wings up and down or forward and backward. और जो ये muscles हैं जो attach है, किससे attach है? Wings से attach है. They help in the movement of wings up and down or forward and backward. And the bird's tail, जो bird की जो tail है here, this tail, that act as a rudder of a boat. It helps the bird to change its direction while flying. Rudder means जिससे हम क्या है direction change कर सकते हैं. It helps the bird to change its direction while flying. ये boat में भी होती है. That helps them to change the direction. Now the next is wing movement. जो wing की movement है वो कैसी होती है? A bird does not fly by simply flapping its wings up and down. वो simply flap नहीं करते हैं अपने wings को up and down. The wings have two type of movement. उनकी wings की क्या है? Two types की movement होती हैं. First one is upstroke and second one is downstroke. अपस्ट्रोक में क्या होता है? द विंग्स मूव्स अपवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. यू कैन सी विंग्स क्या है? अपवर्ड मूव कर रहे हैं एंड देन अगेन बैकवर्ड. डाउन स्ट्रोक में क्या है? यू कैन सी विंग्स जो है वो डाउन स्ट्रोक मूव कर रहे हैं एंड देन दे अगेन फॉरवर्ड. सो दिस इज अपस्ट्रोक में विंग्स जो है वो कैसे मूव करते हैं? अपवर्ड अपस्ट्रोक में अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव करते हैं और डाउन स्ट्रोक में कैसे मूव करते हैं? डाउनवर्ड. So this is the movement of upstroke when they are moving their wings upward and then they are moving their wings backward. Here the wings are moving downwards and then the wings are moving forward. So this is how a bird fly. How does a bird fly? Birds are having special body features which help them in flying. A streamlined body. Streamline means board shaped. जो फ्रंट से और बैक से क्या होती है? थिन होती है और सेंटर से क्या होती है? ब्रॉड होती है. दैट इज बोर्ड शेप्ड. दैट बॉडी इज लाइट एंड होलो बोन्स. दे आर हैविंग लाइट एंड होलो बोन्स एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स. स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स होते हैं एंड दैट मसल्स आर अटैच टू द विंग्स विच हेल्प्स द बर्ड इन इट्स फ्लाइट इन द एयर. वो क्या करते हैं? हेल्प करते हैं बर्ड को सो दैट दे कैन फ्लाई इन द एयर. एंड दीज विंग्स, जो विंग्स हैं, दे हैव फेदर्स अटैच टू देम. क्या अटैच है उनके साथ? फेदर्स अटैच हैं. इट इज़ द विंग्स. फेदर क्या है? देयर आर डिफरेंट फेदर्स. सो इट इज़ अ विंग फेदर दैट स्प्रेड आउट एंड अनेबल द बर्ड टू रिमेन इन एयर. वो क्या करते हैं? हेल्प करते हैं बर्ड्स को सो दैट दे कैन रिमेन इन एयर एंड ट्विस्ट इन फ्लाइट्स. और वो अपनी फ्लाइट्स में ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं. द टेल, जो टेल है बर्ड्स की, दैट हेल्प इन द चेंजिंग डायरेक्शन. वो हेल्प करती है सो दैट दे कैन चेंज द डायरेक्शन ड्यूरिंग फ्लाइट्स. इट हैज स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स. मसल्स है फॉर फ्लैपिंग इट्स विंग्स. उनके विंग्स को फ्लैप करने के लिए अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड. अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में एंड डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में. एंड द मूवमेंट, अपवर्ड मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड अपस्ट्रोक एंड downward movement is called downstroke. But there are some birds which are not capable of flying. For example, ostrich hai, kiwis hai. Why they cannot fly? Their weak wings, जो उनके weak wings हैं, they cannot lift their heavy bodies. वो क्या है, लिफ्ट नहीं कर सकते अपनी हैवी बॉडीज को. द बोन्स ऑफ फ्लाइटलेस बर्ड्स, जो बर्ड्स फ्लाई नहीं करते, दे आर कॉल्ड फ्लाइटलेस बर्ड्स, आर नॉट लाइट एंड होलो. उनकी जो है बोन्स जो हैं वो लाइट नहीं है, ना ही वो होलो है. इनफैक्ट दे आर हैवी, और वो क्या है, काफ़ी हैवी है. एंड हेल्प देम इन देयर मूवमेंट ऑन लैंड. वो हेल्प करती हैं सो दैट दे कैन मूव ऑन द लैंड. इन केस ऑफ वाटर बर्ड्स, जो वाटर बर्ड्स होते हैं, दे आर हैवी बोन्स. उनकी जो हैवी बोन्स होती हैं वो हेल्प करती हैं टू डाइव देम इनसाइड द वाटर सो दैट दे कैन डाइव इनसाइड द वाटर. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द how does a bird fly. What you have to do, you have to read your chapter up to here and try the related worksheet, try the related bookwork to it, and also you have to try these checkpoints.